This is a carpet cleaning that we did a while back, and this is a very unique process because first we're performing the dry and soluble soil extraction, which is also known as vacuuming. And this machine right here that you see currently, that is a CRB, and that's a counter rotating brush, and that's going to agitate all the pre-spray that's on the carpet deep into those fibers, so we get the maximum benefit from our cleaning. And this is a very unique machine because many carpet cleaners in this area in Tallahassee may not own a CRB, and that's unfortunate because with the hot water extraction process, it's good to try to safely agitate the carpet and agitate the pre-spray that's on your carpet into those fibers, and as well as pull up a lot of hair that the hot water extraction may miss. But with our SETT process, this is also very beneficial because we're going to pull up more hair that the vacuum missed, and then we're going to go over the carpet with our 19-inch low boy, and that is an OrboSETT machine, and we like to call it an OrboSETT Extractor because we're going to extract the water-soluble soil from the carpet. Now, this is a low moisture method, and last but not least, we're going to do a post vacuum, and we're using a HEPA filter vacuum. We always use a HEPA filter vacuum to safely remove as many of those allergens that can be damaging to your health as possible. And right here, we are using our OrboSETT extractor with a 2-inch thick microfiber pad. And there is a built-in foam inside that pad, and it absorbs a lot of moisture and soil. And that's going to help promote quicker dry times. And that's a lot. That means a lot in Florida because of our humidity issues. Traditional methods, carpets tend to take up to 48 hours to dry. And I've heard of some issues where carpets would take longer to dry. I've heard complaints. But this method, we can get your carpets dry in about an hour. And that's a big deal because we are preventing moldy carpets, we're preventing wicking and resoiling, and carpets stay cleaner longer. Not to mention, the products we use are safe. They are a 0 on the health rating, our pre-spray is, and we use a safe disinfectant and anti-allergen products and antimicrobial products as well to keep those carpets as clean as possible. And here's the post-vac right here.